Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here we'll search about Yazio app and we click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem as you see here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.